Hello guys, the name is Anna and you're watching Anna's World. Guys, you can find thousands of channels on YouTube which teach you cooking in new ways. But today in this video, I'm going to tell you about some unusual cooking methods which maybe you haven't heard of before. So let's get started. Number 8. Cooking on engine. Guys, what will happen if you go on a long way and during traveling you feel hungry and there is no restaurant available? To get out of this situation, you can use this amazing cooking method. For this, before going, you have to wrap the food and keep it on the car engine. And you should keep in a way that the food don't fall. Car engine gets heated when the car is moving. So your food will be ready during the journey. You may not believe that this type of cooking is done by thousands of people, and also you can get Indian cooking recipes on the internet. Should give it a try to this insane cooking method. And also there is a channel on YouTube who specifically teaches Indian cooking. Number 7. Cooking with sun. Guys, many of you may know if we combine laser with sunlight, then it can light up any object. If the sun rays passes through the magnifying glass, then it becomes extremely hot. Other than that, if sun rays passes through any glass, that also becomes really hot. If in your house the cylinder finishes or there is no gas, you can use this method with the help of any type of glass. You guys won't believe that this man cooked the meat in 25 minutes. With this method, well, can't say anything about the taste, but it's way too better than staying hungry, right? Number 6. Fishes with stones. Guys, if you order something in the restaurant and you find rocks in it, then of course you will get angry and there is no good for the restaurant chef and waiter. But in Mexico, the world's one of the really unique fish soup is made. This dish is made on rocks. Mostly for this, they don't require any utensil. Firstly, in deep rocks, they put some water. Then fishes, vegetables and spices are added. Of course, for making this dish, they require heat. For this, on the side, they light up the fire and heat up small stones. And when the stones get heated, they get thrown in the soup. Then with the small stones heat, the water starts boiling. Like this, more stones are thrown in the soup and then soon the stony soup is ready. You maybe have never seen this type of soup before. Number 5. Fish with mud. Guys, in the different part of the world, due to too much hot weather, the river and ponds dry up. Due to less water in the dry season, fishes in less and muddy water try to survive. Especially in Thailand, fishermen in this season catches fishes with their bare hands, but because the fish is in the muddy water, it has too much mud on it and it's really difficult to remove the mud. And water is already really short. So these fishermen catch fishes, then collect some wood, then light up the fire and then place these fishes directly. For more better cooking, they put wood on top of the fish, then cover it with dry grass, leaves and then set fire. After some time, this muddy fish is ready. Then this fish is placed on big leaves of trees like banana tree and then eat it like this. This is really annoying. Number 4. Chicken. Guys, you may have eaten dishes made out of chicken and even cooked some of them. But the farmers present in Thailand like to cook their chicken in a very weird way. They slide the chicken on a stick and then install it in the ground. Then a steel box is placed above it. After placing the steel box, they cover it with dry grass, leaves and stuff. Of course, before doing all this, at least salt and some other spices are massaged on the chicken. Otherwise, from where will the taste come from? After covering it with the grass, they set up the fire. As the fire starts burning, more dry grass leaves are placed on top. This dish is made in the farm, so there is no lack of grass. This requires a lot of time to cook, but at last chicken is ready. This weird method to make chicken I have seen for the first time. Number 3. Eggs on sand. Guys, you maybe fry eggs every day. A kid also can do this. You might have heard that in many Arab countries, it's really hot that they can fry an egg in the sun. Especially in desert, the sand is really hot. The temperature is really high, means really hot. You may be shocked to hear that many tribes who live in hot regions fry their eggs on sand. I know hearing it sounds weird, but they don't use any pan or any other utensils. First of all, these people crack big eggs and put it on the sand. First, the sand is heated by light up wood so that eggs fry correctly. After half frying the egg, the cook covers the egg with sand and soon the sandy dish gets ready. Instead of doing this hard work, it's more better that these people fry egg on a frying pan on fire. Number 2. Lava bread. Siggy Riffain is the only chef who cooks with the help of lava. He bakes bread with the help of lava near his territory. Firstly, he mixes all the ingredients, then put them in a special steel utensil and then dig 40 cm down in the lava area and then bury the utensil there. Where he buries the utensil, their sand's temperature is 100 degrees Celsius. After burying, right after 24 hours, the bread is ready. It requires a lot of time to bake, but they say it's really tasty. No oven in the world can bake this type of bread. If you guys ever go to Iceland, then give it a try. Number 1. A vegetable in sand. Guys, to make vegetables in home, it requires a lot of hard work. But if talking about sand, how is it possible to make vegetables in the sand? But some people know how to make impossible possible. In this unique cooking method, first the vegetables are cut and spices are placed. And then these veggies are put in a steel utensil. Then they cover this utensil and bury it in the sand. After completely covering with the sand, then on top and around, fire is lighted up. Unfortunately, to make these veggies in this weird way, how much time it requires couldn't find out. But I think this requires a great amount of time because cooking vegetable is not an easy task. But whatever it is, after this vegetable gets ready, everybody is satisfied. That's it for today's video, guys. I hope you all enjoyed the video. I hope it was kinda informative video. Please like the video, and to show support, please subscribe, share and comment down below your opinions about this video. Please take care of yourself, stay healthy and goodbye.